Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English, and it's a beautiful Monday morning today. Absolutely gorgeous. The sky is super blue, and sun is shining. It's really hot out here. I love it. Guys, as you can see, I'm standing in front of the Doña Helena, which is one of the original locomotives, actually. I think it might be the original locomotive transporting freight from the port into the country. Well, this is at, of course, Edificio La Aduana on the Via 40. Very cool. Come check it out. Guys, today's expression is about equality. The expression is, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. And really what it means is that what's good for one person should also be good for the other person. Right? You can't say, well, I'm going to do this and you can't. That's just not, it's not fair. For example, if a husband wants to go out drinking with his friends every Friday night, well, he shouldn't have a problem with his wife doing the same with her friends. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. It's not a super common expression, but it's still a good one to know. Guys, I hope you love these videos. If you have any questions at all about this video, or if there's something, an expression that you want me to explain to you, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. Also, please subscribe to this show. Click right there and subscribe to this channel. And of course, you'll get all of my future videos and you'll find out everything that there is to know about English. Everything. Guys, as usual, have a fantastic day.